Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we've got something brand new to us. It is the Disney Backstage Collection. This is a monthly subscription that they offer, and let's check it out. There it is. So we're going to go through this. I believe there's a t-shirt and a pin and something else maybe in here. That's all coming up right now. Alright, so let's take a look. So they kind of sell this as behind the scenes merch or forgotten artwork, untold stories, stuff like that. So it's more exclusive stuff, things that you don't see on a regular basis and can't get at the parks. So it's said to contain a premium blend t-shirt, a Disney pin. Now I don't believe it's a LE technical pin, a limited edition pin, but I would consider it to be exclusive since the only way you can get it is if you order this. It also comes with a story card and then this collectible canister. So as we go here, this is basically based on the 1930s. So I'm gonna let a little bit of 1930s sneak out of here. There you go. Puts us a little bit more in the groove. So whatever style they put in here, so you can see that this one is release number 1. You can see that right there. So once release number 1 gets sold out, that's it. They're not going to reproduce it anymore. So let's say I just started this whole thing just started. So I'm in at the beginning. Let's say you start this in 6 months. Your number 1 may be different than mine because this one may have sold out, which I think is actually pretty cool. So if you don't get in right away, you're going to miss out. One quick thing before we pop into this, when you go on the site, just so you're aware, it does spoil the first shirt. And now I'm not sure if that's going to change every month because obviously we haven't seen the second month pop up yet. But on their site, you do see this shirt and this canister. You don't see the pin that's inside, so that is still a surprise. But it'll spoil it. So once you get it, I would say stay off of there just so you don't see what your next shirt's going to be. Now let's get in here and take a look. Enough talk. All right. All right. So, let's see what we got here. So it says, just like the canister, Disney Bros Studios, established 1923. And then if you see, can you see that on the back collar right there? So that says, animation can explain whatever the mind of man can conceive, from Walt Disney. So that's a Walt Disney quote. And I think that's pretty slick that they put that right on the back of the shirt there. And then on the sleeve, it says 4649. So that is actually the street address of the building from the original studio, which I think is pretty cool. Now the only way we can really see if I'm gonna like this is to try it on. There you go. Fits very nice. Good length. Good length in the sleeves. I will say the neck's a little bit loose for me. I don't necessarily, it's not like crazy stretched out, but it is a little bit bigger than I normally like, but the fabric is extremely soft. It's very nice quality t-shirt, and it's pretty thin, so it'll be very comfortable in the heat of Florida for sure. All right, what else we have here? So here is the pin. Oh, that is really cool. That is so cool. So this is to replicate. I'm gonna throw that up on the screen for you so you can get a really close look at it. So this is meant to replicate the front window of the studio. So they had the company name painted right on the glass, and I really don't think I've ever seen a pin that you can see straight through before. That is really cool. And it does say Disney Backstage on the back, and it does not have an LE number, so it is not a limited edition, but again, I would say that this is exclusive because it comes in this. That is super cool, and it's a double pin, obviously, has the 2 backs on it. Man, I love that. That is so cool. All right, and then this should be the story card. So it looks like a coaster, honestly, and about the same thickness. So let me throw that up on the screen. It's 1923, and two brothers, Walt and Roy, established Disney Brothers Studios out of a small office on Kingswell Avenue in Hollywood, California. There is a dedicated desk for Roy, but not Walt. And the office is so tiny, the bathroom often doubles as a darkroom. Your exclusive t-shirt features letterhead artwork that graced all correspondence from this young animation company destined to create great things. And then it says Disney Brothers Studio, Disney Backstage. That is very cool. So each month, they're going to do something different and going through the years of Disney. I'm going to throw something up on the screen real quick. This shows kind of a sneak peek that they had up on their site that shows you're not sure when they're going to come out or anything like that. And you kind of see you see the side of the cans. So it looks to me like a Sorcerer Mickey, a Donald Duck, a Haunted Mansion, a Toy Story, and an Emperor's New Groove. So all those sound awesome to me, except for Emperor's New Groove. That's not my favorite thing, but it is what it is, and the rest of them sound amazing, and I'm very excited for it. And then on top of that, you have this cool canister. So I'm obviously going to store something in there and probably put it above the shelves behind me. I will probably use it for extra lanyards or, who knows, Disney pinbacks. There's a million of those laying around. But I am very excited for this. It is completely through Disney, not through a separate company at all. It comes right from Shop Disney. And price-wise, depending on how much you sign up for to begin with, the cheaper it gets. So if you sign up for 3 months, it costs you $40 a month. If you sign up for 6 months, it costs you $38 a month. And if you sign up for the full year right away, it's $35 a month. So you do make quite a bit of savings. I signed up for 3 months to begin with simply because I wanted to check it out and make sure it was worth it. I think it's worth it. I really like everything that came in this. It's items that you're not going to see on anybody else except if they got this. And I like that. I like exclusive stuff. So that's it for today. If you'd like to take a look at last week's video, it was a Magic at Your Door All Haunted Mansion box. You can check that out right here. And if you'd like to subscribe so you get our videos every week, you can click the subscribe button right here. I hope you're having a great day.